registering online class. In today's session, let me start a new lesson that is about construction. Okay, see, construction, your chapter name, construction. Okay, see, this is one of the important chapter. Okay, so in this construction chapter, you will be having two type of construction, that is construction of tangent to a circle. Okay, so that will be for 2 marks, and another one construction of a similar triangle. Okay, so that construction will be for 3 marks. So totally 2 plus 3 equal to 5 marks questions are definite from this chapter. Okay, so out of 80 marks in your final exam, your question will be for 80 marks. Out of 80 marks, 5 marks for construction. Okay, so this is 100% sure question and this is important question. Okay, so construction, this is very interesting chapter. Okay, you will enjoy this chapter. Here just construction. Okay, by using compass, by using your geometry box, you have to construct all those things. Okay, yes. So before starting this session, students, make sure you have protractor, compass, scale, pencil and eraser. Okay, so these things are very important here. Okay, we will use these things. Okay, yes. So now, first I will discuss about 2 marks construction, that is construction of a tangent to a circle. Okay, yes. So first we will discuss about construction of a tangent to a circle. Okay, construction . Construction of a tangent to a circle. Okay, yes. So before going to this, let me recall some of the important points which were already discussed in our previous session, that is in circle chapter. Okay, yes. So first let me understand what is the meaning of a tangent. Okay, what is the meaning of tangent? Once you recall the definition, tangent is nothing but it is a straight line which touch the circle at exactly at one point, isn't it? Okay, so for example, if it is a circle, okay, with the center O I'll consider. Okay, so your tangent, okay, so if I draw your line like this, okay, see this straight line I'll mark it as L which touch the circle at exactly at one point, I'll mark it as A. Okay, so now this straight line L is called tangent to this circle, isn't it? Tangent is nothing but a straight line which touch the circle exactly at one point, isn't it? Okay. Now I'll consider one circle. Okay. I'll use this. Okay, I will consider one point. Okay, I will consider one point P inside the circle. Okay, see this is your center. I will consider one more point inside this circle. Okay, so now my question is, how many tangent we can draw through this point P? What is the number of tangent? No tangent. Why? Because if I draw one line passing through this point, okay, see, can you observe here this line, I will mark it as L, which cut this circle at 2 points. Now can I say this L is a tangent? No, isn't it? Tangent means it must touch the circle exactly at one point. But if you draw one line which passing through the point P, but that line will cut the circle at 2 points, isn't it? So therefore this line will not a tangent, isn't it? So this is not a tangent. So therefore remember, what is the number of tangent we can draw through a point which is inside the circle? No tangent we cannot draw a tangent to a point which is inside the circle. Okay, yes. So now I'll consider another circle. Okay, I'll consider another circle. Okay, so this is center. I'll consider another circle. Sorry. Okay, now I will consider one point on this circle. I will consider one point on this circle, that is a P I will consider. Now, how many tangent you can draw through this point P? How many tangent? Only one tangent. Only one tangent we can draw. Okay, how? Okay, see, if I join this OP, now this OP is nothing but your radius. Now, if I draw a perpendicular line to that radius, okay, so I'll mark it as AB. Okay, so now this AB will be a tangent to this circle at a point P. Okay, see, we know that we have already proved that theorem. Tangent and radius are perpendicular at the point of contact P, isn't it? So therefore, if I consider one point on this circle, then what is the number of tangent? Only one tangent we can draw through that point. Okay. Yes. Now I'll consider another case. Another case I'll consider. Okay. So I'll consider this is a center. I'll draw one more circle. I'll draw. Okay. Okay, now I will consider one point outside the circle. Okay, I will consider one point outside the circle. Okay, and I will mark it as a P. Now my question is, how many tangent you can draw from this point P to this circle? How many tangent? Two tangent we can draw. Okay, remember how many tangent we can draw? We can draw exactly two tangent. Okay, so this is one tangent. Okay, again this is your another tangent. Okay, so I'll mark it as A and B. Okay, so here PA and PB, these are the two tangents. Okay, so if I consider one point outside the circle, what is the number of tangent? Two tangent. Okay, see, if I join this OA, now OA will be the radius. So we know that radius and tangent are perpendicular. So therefore, what is the angle at the point A? That is 90 degree. Once again, if I join this OB, now OB will be the radius. Again, PB is a tangent. So radius and tangent are perpendicular. So therefore, again the angle at the point P is 90 degree. Okay. So therefore, if I draw one point outside this circle, then what is the number of tangent? Two tangent we can draw from that external point to a circle. Okay. So in this chapter, we are going to construct this tangent. Okay. So in your chapter, in your syllabus, you are going to construct the tangent from an external point to a circle. Okay, so this construction will be for 2 marks, important construction. Okay, yes. So next we'll discuss about how to construct this type of tangent. Okay. So now type 1. Okay, construction of a tangent to a circle. So first we'll discuss about type 1. Okay. So what is that type 1? Construction of tangent marks question. Okay, so question number 1. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter and construct two tangent to it from an external point 8 centimeter away from the center. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter and you have to construct two tangent to it from an external point. That external point be at what distance? 8 centimeter away from the center. Okay, that external point must be 8 centimeter away from the center. Okay, yes. So how to construct it? Listen carefully. Okay, so I will consider one point. I will consider one point. Okay, so I'll mark this point as O. Okay, so O is the center now. Okay, yes. So now in your compass take 3 centimeter because first I am going to draw one circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so in the question they have given us draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so therefore take 3 centimeter. Okay, take 3 centimeter and draw one circle. Okay. Take 3 centimeter as a radius and draw one circle. Okay, so now this is your circle with the radius 3 centimeter. Okay, yes. So now we'll move towards the another part. See, you have to construct, you have to take one external point. That external point must be at what distance? 8 centimeter away from the center. Okay, so therefore from your center, this is your center. From this center, you have to take 8 centimeter away. Okay, that means from this center, 8 centimeter you have to consider. Okay, so 0, count from the center, 0, okay, 0 to 8 centimeter. Yes, 8 centimeter. Yes. Okay, so now from the center, draw one line 8 centimeter. Okay, so now, so this is your point P. Okay, now this is your point P. External point is P. Right? Okay, so now what is the length of OP here? The length of OP is about 8 centimeter. The length of OP is about 8 centimeter. Okay, yes. So now we have to draw two tangents from this external point to P. Okay, we have to draw two tangents from this external point to P. Okay, so how to draw? Students here already studied about to draw perpendicular bisector, isn't it? Okay, so now I will draw perpendicular bisector of this line OP. Okay, so we have to draw perpendicular bisector of this OP. So how to consider, how to draw perpendicular bisector? Yes, okay. See, keep the leg of your compass at a point P. Take more than half. Take more than half of the line OP. Take more than half of this OP and draw one arc at the top and another arc at the bottom. Right? Okay. Now change. Keep the leg of your compass at the point P. Don't change the distance. Distance will be same. Now cut these two arc. Cut these two arc. Right? Okay. Now I will join these two points. I will join these 2 points. perpendicular bisector of this OP. Okay. Now this perpendicular bisector and OP are intersecting at one point. Okay. So that point, I will mark that point as M. Okay. I will mark that point as M. Okay. Now the next step. See, once again, by taking M as the center, now keep your leg of your compass at the point M and OP as radius. Okay, M as the center, OP exact, so not OP, MP. Okay, MP as radius, exactly MP you have to consider. Okay, yes. M as a center, MP as the radius, I will draw one circle. Yes. See, now these two circles are intersecting at these 2 points, isn't it? These two circles are intersecting at these 2 points. Mark it as A and B. Okay. Now join AP, join this AP. Again join this B. Yes. So therefore, which are the two required tangent here? See, P is your external point, PA and PB, these are the two tangent to this circle. Understood now? So which are the two tangents? PA and PB are the two tangents. Okay. So PA and PB are two tangents. Okay. This P is one external point. PA and PB are the two tangent to this circle. Okay. Yes, students. I think hope you understood this. Okay. So we will solve another problem. Same type of another problem I will solve. Then you will come to know the exact. Okay. Same type. Second question I will consider. Draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and construct two tangents to it from an external point 4.5 centimeter away from the center. Okay. So same process. So first I will draw the circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So first mark one center. Okay. So this is your center. Now take 3.5 centimeter. Now as 3.5 centimeter as a radius, draw one circle. Okay. Now we move towards the second part. What is the second part? You have to take one external point. That external point must be 4.5 centimeter away from the center. Okay. So from the center, take 4.5 centimeter. Okay. So from the center, take 4.5 centimeter. So yes. extend it. Okay, now join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Okay, so now this is your perpendicular bisector. So your perpendicular bisector and OP are intersecting at the point. So I will mark that point as M. Now by taking this M as a center and MP as radius, I will draw one circle. Okay, M as a center, MP as radius, draw one circle. Yes. So now these two circles are intersecting at which 2 points? This one and this one. Okay. So mark it as A and B. Now join this AP and BP. Okay. Yes. So AP and BP I will join. Okay. So this is your AP. Another one BP. Yes. So now which are the required tangent here? P is your external point. PA and PB, these are the two tangent drawn from this external point P. Okay. So therefore PA and PB are the two tangents. PA and PB are two tangents. Okay. Yes. Next question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 5 cm and construct two tangents to it from an external point 12 cm away from the center. Okay. So now you have to consider one external point. That external point must be at what distance? 12 cm away from the center. Okay. Yes. So I will consider one center. Okay. So this is your center. I will mark it as O. Okay. So now by taking 5 cm as a radius, I will construct one circle. Okay. Yes. I will take 5 cm as a radius. Yes. So now 5 cm as a radius. Construct one circle. Okay. Now you have to consider one external point. That external point must be at what distance? That external point must be at what distance? 12 cm away from the center. Okay. So therefore from the center, this is your center. I will count from this center. From the center take 12 cm. Okay. So from the center take 12 centimeter. Yes. So now I will mark this point as P. Now P is your external point. This point P is at what distance? That point P is at 12 centimeter. Okay. So it is at 12 centimeter away from the center. Okay. Yes. So now what is the next step? I have to draw perpendicular line OP. Okay. So how to construct the perpendicular bisector? Keep the leg of your compass at the point O and take more than half of OP and draw one arc at the top and another arc at the bottom. Once again, with the same measurement, keep the leg of your compass at the point P and cut these two arcs. Okay. So now I will join these 2 points. I will join these 2 points. Yes. So now this is your perpendicular bisector. So your perpendicular bisector and the line OP is intersecting at this point. Mark this point as M. Okay. Mark this point as M. Okay. So now next step, by taking M as a center means you have to keep the leg of your compass at the point M and take MP length. Okay, by taking this MP as radius. Okay, M as a center, MP as radius. Draw one circle. You have to draw one circle. Okay. Yes. So now these 2 circles are intersecting at these 2 points, isn't it? So mark these 2 points as A and B. Okay. So now I will join AP and BP. Okay. So join this up. Okay. So now AP and BP, these are the 2 required tangents. Okay. Yes. So which are the 2 required tangents here? AP and BP. And one more thing you can observe here. We know that from the theorem, the tangent drawn from the external point to a circle are equal in the length, isn't it? So therefore, the length of PA and the length of PB are equal here. Okay, you can measure these 2 lengths. Okay, the length of PA will be equal to the length of PB. Okay, so therefore, this is a construction for 2 marks, important construction. So the next question I will consider. Next question. Question number 4. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point 3 cm away from the circle. Okay. See, this is important. Okay. 3 cm away from the circle. But in the previous question you had some 4 cm or 5 cm or 12 cm away from the center of the circle in your previous problem, isn't it? But here they have given you how to take a point that So this is your circle with the center 4 centimeter. Okay. Now, according to the question, you have to consider one external point. That point must be 3 centimeter away from the circle. Okay. So now, first I will take one radius. Okay. So this is your radius. Okay. So this is your radius. So what is the length of this radius? This is a circle with radius how much? 4 centimeter, isn't it? So therefore here to here, what is the length? 4 centimeter. Okay. So this is your radius with the length 4 centimeter. Okay. So now you have to consider 3 centimeter away from the center. Means from this point, from this circle they have given. You have to consider 3 centimeter away from the circle. Means from this point you have to consider 3 centimeter. Okay. So you have to consider 3 centimeter. From this point you have to count from this point. Okay. So 3 centimeter. Okay. So I mark this P. Okay. So now what is the length of this point? 3 centimeter. Okay. I mark this point as some point Q I mark. Okay. See now OQ is your radius. OQ is about how much? 4 centimeter. You have next further you have to consider external point P. That external point P must be 3 centimeter away from the circle. Means from the point Q you have to consider 3 centimeter. Okay. From the circle means from the point Q you have to take 3 centimeter. Okay. So QP is about 3 centimeter. Okay. Yes. So now same process. Okay. From this external point P we have to draw 2 tangent to this circle. Okay. So how to construct? First I will consider perpendicular bisector. How to consider perpendicular bisector? Keep the leg of your compass at the point O and take more than half and one arc at the top and another arc at the bottom. Once again keep the leg of your compass at the point P. Okay. Cut these 2 arcs. Okay. Now join So now this is your point. Okay. So mark this point as M. Okay. So M is your point, which this point is the intersection of this perpendicular bisector as well as OP. Okay. So now the same process by taking this M. Remember, don't take this Q. You have to take M. Okay. Keep the leg of your compass at the point M and MP as radius. Take MP as radius. Now you have to draw one circle. Okay. So now yes. So now these 2 circles are intersecting at these 2 points. Okay. So now I will join these 2 points. Mark this as AB. Okay. This is A and this is B. Yes. So therefore, which are the 2 required tangent here? PA and PB. These are the 2 tangents. Okay. PA and PB are 2 tangents. PA and PB are 2 tangents. Okay. So you can measure the length of these 2 tangents. Okay, the length of PA and the length of PB are equal. Okay, so you can measure these two lengths because we know that tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal, isn't it? So therefore, the length of PA will be equal to the length of